Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and this is going to be our 2-month update on this panel. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. My backyard is just covered in mud and dirt because my dogs killed all the grass. Does look like some grass might be starting to grow back. Anyways, 2-month update. This panel's gotten really dirty. We've had some pretty hot days, and recently we've been getting a lot of rain. There's a rainstorm the last couple nights. So I'm going to see how the water is before we wash it. Then we're going to wash it. Then we'll see how it is after we wash it. So let's go ahead and spray it down and see how it looks. And I forgot to mention, in the last video, I left them out because I just blanked it. Armor Detail Supplies coatings were doing great as well. So sorry I didn't mention those. Now as we see, because the panel is filthy, there's no water behavior at all. And over on the right side, guys, on that right side of the hood, past the body line, I've got 3 different wipe-on clear coats I'm testing out, see how they hold up. So we've got Snake Oil, it's a new product. We've got Black Rhino Speed Clear, which they just came out with a new version. This is the old version. And we've got Shiny Car Stuff. So we'll keep an eye on those over time. But now that we see the panel definitely needs to be washed, we're going to wash with Coach Chemie Reactivation Shampoo, which is an acid car shampoo, so it should take care of any minerals on there. Just want to make sure it's really clean. Oh, my shoes are getting demolished by this mud right now. Alright, let's see. You can see a lot of the coatings came right back to life. Now, the wipe-on clear coats, they're not made to be water repellent, so don't get too caught up on that. Also, for Ethos, Tim reached out to me. His ceramic supplier, he said, had an issue with the Easy Peasy Plus sample he sent me and the Ceramic V2 sample he sent me. So he expects those, in his tests, the other batches to perform much better. He also said out of that batch wasn't too good, so don't count those too much for Ethos. I'm going to wash the panel one more time just to make sure we really got it clean. So much mud. Alright, so let's see how everything looks. And somebody did ask for me to do a close-up, so I will do that. Alrighty, so top row, CarPro D-Quartz pre-production, production, about the same. C-Quartz UK 3.0, really going really good. SIC, not as good, but still going. Black Rhino Fat Beads, still going. D-Quartz, or no, it's Underdog Marine right under it. Doing really good. Black Rhino's regular coating. I was doing alright, still there. Optics and graphics from Black Rhino. Graphics doing just as good as it did initially. Optics also slowing down a little bit. But it is still there, because as you see, the uncoated areas are not repelling water at all. So the next row, Stark Liquid Thor, Stark Repel, and Underdog Pro and Pro Plus. Underdog Pro Plus, really impressive. Stark Liquid Thor, really impressive. The other one's doing pretty good. Ethos Graphene Max V2, doing pretty good. Ethos Ceramic V2 and Easy Peasy Plus, that's where you had an issue with the batch. They're not doing so hot, but again, we're not gonna count those. Stark Liquid Kraken, also really good. And that's from Stark Yacht Care. It's a boat care brand, but their stuff does work for clear coat as well. The next one, DIY 3-year, 5-year, 8-year, and the stack. So 8-year is actually doing better now. It was not doing as good, but now it's doing better. And the stack is doing really good. So that's 3-year stacked on top of 8-year. So just keep that in mind if you're looking at DIY's products. On the very far left side, we got System X Max, Pro, and Crystal. Pro and Max doing pretty good. Crystal not doing so great. Ryan West Industries 9H and 7H. Doing pretty good, 7H not as good as expected. This is FameLab Ceramic V3 and Ceramic V3 with their overcoat. Both of those doing really good. Then we've got Apex BC7 doing alright. Armor Quartz Pro, and the stack of the two doing really good. So all Armor's products outstanding. The bottom here, you got Cerakote, not doing so great. It's not repelling the water at all. So 2 months, Cerakote's done. Meguiar's new M888 doing good. Geon Moe's Evo doing really good, and then Gloss Revolution Barrel 1 not doing so great. So hopefully that covers for the close-up guys. But what's standing out here, C-Quartz UK, Black Rhino Graphics, Stark Liquid Thor, Underdog Pro Plus, Stark Liquid Kraken, Ethos Max V2, DIY stack. I mean, 8 years doing pretty good, 5 years doing alright, 3 years slowing down, so definitely stacking them is the way to go with that. System X Max and Pro doing good. Ryan West 9H and 7H doing alright. And by the way, wholesale again, you can get 9H for 50 bucks a bottle and 7H for 40 bucks a bottle, so sure to check that out. FameLab V3 doing really good. That's an installer only coating they sent to me, so definitely worth checking out. Their overcoat doing good on that as well. Apex doing alright. Armor Quartz Pro doing really good. Down at the bottom, Geon Moe's Evo really stands out. Meguiar's doing alright. I think the bottom might be taking more abuse though, because it's so close to the ground and stuff splashing on it, but what stands out to me the most, I'm going to say C-Quartz UK 3.0, Underdog Pro Plus, Stark Thor, Stark Kraken, DIY stack, System X products doing pretty good. Ryan West 9H, FameLab, obviously, Armor, definitely, Apex BC7, Geon Moe's Evo, I think I missed Black Rhino Graphics, I forgot that one. Underdog Marine actually doing pretty good too. So There you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that update. My shoes are freaking covered in mud. I'm just making more, spraying this dirty ground. So I do this all for you guys. So thanks for watching. Keep them clean. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.